Hello, my name is Linda. I'm from Portugal.
Hello, my name is Tomek. I'm from Poland.
What did you like most about the city of Badajoz?
I like the most people because they are really friendly and open for new people.
Would you like to come back to the city of Badajoz?
Yes, I think I want because I like this city because I like this.
Mm. What activity did you like most till now?
uh, I like the most visit to Merida because it was so beautiful and I like the city.
Um, have you enjoyed your staying with your host family?
Yes, yes, of course. I like the people, the family.
Bye bye.
Thank you.